In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Galaxy Fit 3 to Android phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and connect any model of Samsung Watch that you have with an Android phone. Keep in mind that this process is going to work even if you have a non-Samsung phone. So if you have something from Xiaomi, Realme, or any other manufacturer, you will still be able to connect it. The only device that will not be compatible with this method are iOS devices, so keep that in mind. But if you have any other Android phone, all that you have to do is first download the Galaxy Wearable app. This is available on the Google Play Store, so download the Galaxy Wearable app from the Google Play Store, and this will allow you to set up any model of Galaxy Watch that you have. When you open the app, they are going to give you a tour of all the models that can be connected, the features. You can look through them if you want by using the scroll feature here, or just tap start at the bottom. When you tap start, they might ask you to grant it permission to recognize nearby devices, so make sure that you allow this if you are asked to, and now put your Galaxy Watch in close proximity of your phone. It is going to appear under the list of available devices as long as it is powered on, so make sure that you power it on once, and once it appears on the list, you will be able to select it here. Of course, the focus of this video is the Fit 3, so you will see it listed here like so, but of course, if you have any other model, it is also going to show up. When you tap on it, you will be able to confirm that it is trying to connect itself to your phone by checking if the numbers match. If everything looks okay, go ahead and confirm. If it doesn't work, make sure that there are no interferences around you, so you can disable other devices that might be trying to connect to the Galaxy Fit 3. And once you confirm, it is going to automatically finish the setup. So you might have to choose your Google account. So if it asks you to sign into a Google account, choose it from the list, make sure that you are properly signed in, and after that is done, you are basically good to go. It is now going to be manageable inside of the Galaxy Wearable app, and you can repeat this process with any model of Galaxy Watch that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect the Galaxy Fit 3 to Android phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.